So now we'll swab the surface, pick up all the grease and germs, and take a measurement. We're looking for a high reading, so then we can clean and get a low reading. So you can see how clean and sanitizes. And then you get a reading in 15 seconds. Now we'll spray the surface with Simix multi-surface kitchen degreaser. Let it sit a little bit and then we'll wipe it up. So if the area is dry, we'll take a new swab and swab the area. Now we'll get a reading. So that's very clean. Anything under 10 is absolutely sanitary. They measure surgical areas. They want 10 and under of the RLU. Simix Kitchen Degreaser cleans and sanitizes.